Ding New DN1008 Series Automatic Pocket Setter Machine. Ding New Technology Automation, with continuous research and development, has more than 20 patents. 10-inch color touchscreen, intuitive and sensitive. Both X and Y directions are driven by servo motors. The feeding is accurate and stable. The speed is fast, and the noise is quiet. Imported accessories are used for key parts, which improves the stability of the machine and has a longer service life. A series of processes are realized automatically, such as positioning and setting of cut pieces, pocket folding, pocket sewing, bar tacking, stacking, and etc. A pocket can be completed in only 8 to 11 seconds, which improves production efficiency and product quality, with beautiful stitches and smooth bag surface. It can save at least 3 to 5 skilled operators and reduce the degree of dependence on highly skilled personnel, effectively solving the problem of labor shortage and skill deficiency. The automatic ironing-free pocket folding mechanism adopts the automatic cylinder folding technology, so that the folding of the pocket no longer requires an ironing table, save labor, and improve production efficiency. The automatic shrinking mechanism of the inner pressure frame adds a replaceable adjustment function so that the change of the stitches on the edge of the pocket is not limited. After the sewing is finished, a robot arm is used to collect the materials, and the sewn products can be placed neatly. It has the functions of broken thread detection and early warning to avoid damage to the fabric by sewing without thread and reduce the scrap rate. All coordinates can be changed according to the size, and the setting is flexible and simple. Suitable for all kinds of decorative pockets, focusing on pocket welting technology such as jeans, shirts, slacks, military pants, and overalls. Make the garment pocket welting craft easier. Quick mold changing installation process. The visual operation interface realizes the quick mold changing installation process within 1 minute, saving time and labor and improving efficiency.